Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you the steps to permanently delete your Google Slides presentation. Now I'm going to quickly refresh the page here and you can see I have two presentations, right? So how do I go ahead and delete or permanently delete one of these presentations? Just go ahead and click the three dots towards the lower right hand side of the presentation and click and remove. Then go ahead and click and move to trash. Now in order to permanently delete this, you want to go to your trash, but Google Slides does not contain trash. And just for you to know that all Google products that you have, if you want to remove them, these will be stored within your trash. So I'm talking like Google Sheets, I'm talking Google Slides, all of these. If you have any files that you will delete or move to trash, it's going to store on your Google Drive storage. So in order to quickly access the Google Drive, you don't even have to open up a new tab and go to the Google Drive. You can click the three lines in the upper left hand side and simply click in Drive. That's going to take you over to your Google Drive, and from here you just need to click in Trash in the lower left hand side, and here you will find the presentation or the Google Slides that you can find. So in order to permanently delete this, right click on it, click on Delete Forever, and simply click and delete forever. Again, it's going to quickly permanently delete that Google Slides for you, and that's it.